morning, children. Today we're going to start ratio and proportion continuation. In the previous class, we have completed what is a ratio in a simplest form, and order of magnitude. So how to change the unit value to a normal fraction. This was the sums we have done in the previous class. Now we're going to continue the sums. Now divide rupees 810 among ABC in the ratio 1 by 4 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 3 by 8. 1 3 by 8. What is this actually? So we are dividing the ratio, a bulk of amount in ABC, 3 ratios. Now given ratio are 1 by 4 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 3 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4 is to 2 by 5 is to 8 ones are 8 plus 3 is 11 by 8. Now LCM of 4, 5 and 8 is 40. So 1 by 4 into 40, 1 by 4 into 40, 2 by 5 into 40 is to 11 by 8 into 40. Now 4 ones are 4 tens are, 5 ones are 5 eights are, 8 ones are and 8 fives are. Next 1 into 10 is to 2 into 8 is to 11 into 5. So 10 is to 16 is to 55. We cannot cancel the term, or we cannot make it in a simplest format in the ratios. So why? Because this will be divisible with 2 table, this will be divisible with 2 table, and this won't be divisible with 2 table. So this ratio are in a simplest form. Now sum of the ratio terms is equal to 10 plus 16 plus 55 is equal to 81. So A share is equal to 810 into 10 by 81. So 81 ones are, 81 tens are. Right. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100. In the same way, B share 81 ones are and 81 tens are. 10 into 16. 10 into 16 is equal to 160. In the same way, C share 810 into 55 by 81. That is nothing but 10 into 55 is equal to 155. Now divide rupees 747 among ABC such that 4A is equal to 5B is equal to 7C. Means we have to divide the amount here, that is 747 among ABC such that 4A is equal to 5B is equal to 7C. Means here the values should be equal, whatever the number may be. For example, here 40, then here it should be also 40, here it should be also 40, whatever the number may be. Now let's see what and how we'll do that. Now let 4A is equal to 5B is equal to 7C is equal to X. Then 4A is equal to X, so A equal to X by 4. How we got that? So 4A is equal to this thing. The 4 is coming down, you know very well. It's 4 into A is equal to X. So A is equal to X by 4. Now 5B is equal to X, that is nothing but B is equal to X by 5. 7C is equal to X, so C is equal to X by 7. Now therefore A is to B is to C is equal to X by 4 is to X by 5 is to X by 7. Now LCM of 4, 5 and 7 is 140, the denominator values. Now X by 4 into 140 is to X by 5 into 140, X by 7 into 140. Now we have to do that cancellation part. In the previous sum we have done, no, same way. 4 ones are 4, 3s are it's 12 and 2 here, 5s are it's 20. Are you getting the point? 5 ones are 5, 2s are it's 10, 4 carry forward here, it's 8s are. Now 7 ones are 7, 2s are and 0 here. Understood, children? Now here what happens? X into 35 is to X into 28 is to X into 20. That is nothing but 35x is to 28x is to 20x. Now I got the answer actually. It's 35 is to 28 is to 28. So 4x is equal to x, that is nothing but a value is 35x. Why? Because a is to b is to c is equal to what we find out here. So a value is 4 into a value is 35x. So 4 into 35x, that is nothing but x get cancelled. How you got? Right, that is nothing but 140. The same way 5b is equal to x. So 5 into 28x, that is nothing but x get cancelled. 140, same 140. What we need to find out here? 140 is equal to 140 is equal to 140. Hence, a is to b is to c is equal to 35 is to 28 is to 20. Now, a bag contain rupees 1, 50 paisas and 25 paisa coins in the ratio 5 is to 6 is to 8 amounted to rupees 210. Find the number of coins of each type. Now, what is that actually? 1 rupee coins are there, 50 paisa coins are there, 25 paisa coins are there. They are in the ratio of 5 is to 6 is to 8. But the total amount is 210 rupees only. How will we find out it? This is very important now. Now, let the number of 1 rupee coins, 50 paisa coins and 25 paisa coins be 5x, 6x and 8x respectively. Then what happens? The value of 1 rupee coin is equal to rupees 5x. That is first term. This is ratio of 5 x into 100 by 100. How? This 100 is 1 rupee by 100. Means how many coins are there total? Right. So here, what happens? 5x. Why? Why? Because here it's 100 ones and 100 ones. Now coming to this, value of 50 paisa coins is equal to rupees 6x into 50 paisa by 100. Now the same way here, 50 ones, 50 twos. 50 twos, again 2 ones, 2 threes. That is nothing but 3x. In the same way, value of 25 paisa coins is rupees 8x. That is nothing but 25 ones, 25 fours. Again 4 ones, 4 twos. That is nothing but 2x. Now coming to this, 5x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 210 rupees. Now 10x is equal to 210. X is equal to 210 by 10. So 10 ones, 10 20 ones. That is nothing but x is equal to 21. Now coming to this, number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 5 into 21. Why? Because it is 5x, 6x and 8x. We have to find out what is the number of coins present in the container of bag. So 5 into 21 is equal to 105. Number of 50 paisa coins is equal to 6 into 21, that is nothing but 126. Number of 25 paisa coins, 8 into 21 is equal to 168. Now you will be having a doubt whether these answers are right or wrong. Confusion. Now we need to compare the values. Compare the values means total you should get 210 rupees. Now how you will get? Number of 1 rupee coins are what? It's 105. First 1 rupee. We cannot change anything here. Right. Next 126. It's 50 rupees coins, 50 paisa coins. That is nothing but total is 63 rupees. Why 63? Why 63? because it's divided by 2, 50 means 1 rupee is 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, like that. So 168 now, 168, it's divided by 4. Why? Because 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 1 rupee, right? So that is nothing but 42. 42. Now add this. It's 0, carry 1. It's 11, carry 1. It's 210. Got the answer, 210 rupees? Yes? Right. Now coming to the next one. Two numbers are in the ratio to 6:11. On adding 2 to the first and 7 to the second, their ratio becomes 8:15. Find the number. Now be careful here. So adding 2 to the first ratio, adding 7 to the second ratio, and it becomes 8:15. Now what happens? See, let the required number be 6x into 11x. Then 6x plus 2 by 11x plus 2 is equal to 8 by 15. How? What is there? Two numbers are in the ratio 6:11. 6 value is 6x and second value is 11x. On adding 2 to the first, so 6x is the first, plus 2, adding 2, and 7 to the second, 11x plus 7 second, the ratio becomes 8 by 8:15. Now what is the confusion here? Why I have taken a division values here? So generally we know that A is to B can be written as A by B, according to our definition. A is to B can be written as A by B. In the same way here, so 6 by 11 can be written as 6:11 can be written as 6 by 11. In the same way, 8:5, 15 can be written as 8 by 15. In the same way we have done here. Now by cross multiplying we get, so 15 into 6x plus 2 is equal to 8 into 11x plus 7. So 15 into 6 is 90x plus 15 into 2 is 30 is equal to 8 into 11 is 88x plus 8 7 is 56. Now 90x, now 88x is coming this side, it's a positive value. When it comes this side, it's a negative value. Then 30 is going this side, then it's a positive value. It then becomes this side. When it comes this side, it becomes my negative value. Now 90 minus of 88, it's 2x, and 56 minus of 30 is 26. Here it's 2 ones are 2 13s are, means 1 and 13. 1 and 13. Now, so the required number are 6 into x, that is nothing but 13, and 11 into 13, that is nothing but 78 and 143. Now coming to the 8th one. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:4 if their difference is 72. Find the number. So two numbers are in the ratio 7:4. If their difference is 72, find the number. What is the number now? Let the required number be 7x and 4x. So this one, 7x and 4x. Then what happens? The 7x minus of 4x is equal to 72. Means the difference of these two numbers is 72. 7x minus of 4x is equal to 72. Now 3x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 3. It is nothing but 24. But we need to find out two numbers here. What are the two numbers? Now, so the required numbers are 7x and 4x. 7 into 24 and 4 into 24. That is nothing but 168 and 96. Coming to the 9th one. The present age of The present age of Mr. Sen and his son are in the ratio 17 is to 9. If the ratio of their ages, if the ratio of their age 9 years ago was 7 is to 3, then find their present age. Very important question. In competitive exams, you will be getting this type of problems. Now, let the present age of Mr. Sen be 7x, present age of his son be 9x, because we don't know what is the present age. Then here, be careful, 17x minus of 9 and 9x minus of 9 is equal to 7 by 3. In the previous sum we have done the same thing. Here 17x is subtracted with 9. Why? Because it's 9 years ago. What was the age? We don't know, right? If the ratio of their age 9 years ago was 7 is to 3, 9 years ago it was 7 is to 3. Now what is the present age? We don't know, right? So 17x minus of 9x, 9 years ago, by 9x minus of 9 is equal to 7 by 3. Now cross multiplying, we get, so 3 into this, you know very well what is the cross multiplication. This is this thing and this is this thing. I've done from 5th standard. What is the cross multiplication? Now 3 into 17x minus of 9 is equal to 7 into 9x minus of 9. Now 3 into 17 is 51x minus of 27 is equal to 7 into 9 is 63x minus of 63. Now 27. Now here be careful. This is coming this side. Why? This is a positive value. When it comes this side, it becomes a negative value, and this is going this side. So minus 27 plus 63. Now what happens? Minus 27 plus 63. Plus into minus is minus 63. Minus of 27 is 36. That is, which is the biggest number? 63. The positive value. That's the reason 36 is equal to 63x minus of 51x. Plus into minus is minus 63 minus of 51. That is nothing but 12. So which is the biggest number here? 63 is the biggest number. That's the reason it says 12x. So x is equal to 36 by 12 is equal to 3. 12 ones are 12 threes are 12 ones are 12 threes are 12 threes are, it's 36. So x values. So the present age of Mr. Sen and his son is 51 and 27. How we got 51 here? Here 17 into x, that is nothing but 3. 17 threes are, it's 51. In the same way, 9x, his son's age is, present age is 9x, that is nothing but 9 into 3. 9 threes are 27. I hope children you are able to understand all the problems. We have completed the first exercise. The rest of the sums, whatever is left over from the textbook, you need to complete in your homework notebook. Whatever the doubts are there, if any doubts, you can write the question number in the comment section, so that uh, we can discuss that problem in the next class. So in the next class we will be doing the next exercise, that is nothing but it's a proportion topic. So we'll be completing in the next class the chapter. So be careful. If any doubts, please let me know that. Thank you children, have a nice day.